What's going on, Ben fam? I am currently headed to Myrtle Beach. I am going to pick up my gas tank from being painted. It's been a long time coming. I'm very excited to see the final product, but before that, I got some updates for you guys for the channel. So let's get into it. Bam, bam. Okay, first thing I want to touch on is my Pan America video. I went back through it, realized that I had given some wrong information, so I wanted to make that right. The first bit of information that I got wrong was the pricing on the special. I told y'all that the special, no matter what color you went with, was $19,999, so $20,000. That is false. I went back through the website and I actually did more research on it, and it turns out the color options are obviously more. So if you go with the standard vivid black on the special, you're paying $20,000. If you're going with the gauntlet gray metallic, you're going to be paying an additional $250 on top of that. And if you go with the dual color, the orange, let's see, what is it called? I just wrote two-tone. But if you go with the orange, you're actually going to be paying an additional $350. So expect that. Secondly, the laced wheels. The laced wheels are not a standard option. That is an option that you can pay for, and that's going to run you about $500. You can get that on either the standard or the special, so it's just going to be an additional $500 cost. The third thing is the adaptive ride height option. That's actually a $1,000 additional cost as well. Now, if you're viewing my video, then you've definitely viewed other videos as well. So that's one of the big reasons I wanted to make this right, because I don't want to be that guy putting out false information. You know what I mean? So, wanted to make this right. The suspension, I haven't seen anybody touch on the suspension, specifically the amount of travel that you have in the suspension. I was able to find on the Harley-Davidson website that it has 7.48 inches of suspension, or 190 millimeters of suspension travel. I did also go through the list of modifications that are currently out for the Pan America on the Harley website. I was able to price out the bags. Now, the aluminum bags are obviously going to be your most expensive part, and you can't just buy the bags. You have to buy the bags, you have to buy the top bag if that's something that you want, you have to buy the side case and top case mounting brackets and all of that. So if you buy the side bags, the top bag, and the mounting for all of it, for all of the aluminum stuff, now you can get it in silver or black, that's going to run you right at $1,920 before taxes. So that's pretty steep. Other news, like I said in the intro, I am headed to Myrtle Beach right now to pick up my gas tank from Paints by Rusty. I will leave a little link in the description box below, as well as pop it up on the screen so y'all can see that. If y'all are in the South Carolina area, definitely hit him up. He's got some great prices, and dude does an amazing job. Went through his Facebook page and looked at, you know, all the products that he's put out there, and his quality is top notch. And all the different things, he did a full-on Dyna scaled paint job, you know, the panel paint job. He did a full-on, it's like gold, and oh man, it looks good. So I'll see if I can't find pictures of that and pop it up on the screen. What else? Oh, I did start a Patreon. Now, the reason I started this Patreon is not to just try and get money from people. That is not it. I am starting this Patreon because I want to obviously grow my community. And in order for me to do that, I need to be able to, you know, purchase more gear for the YouTube channel. Currently, all I've got is my GoPro Hero 8. So I would like to purchase a second camera so I can do like a handlebar mount or even a sissy bar mount or something like that. And that obviously takes money. Also, you know, video editing software, all that good stuff. It's starts to rack up, it starts to get a little bit expensive. If you are willing to, and if you can, by all means, I would appreciate it. If you don't want to, don't feel bad. Or if you can't, financially, that's fine. That's good to go. I think the basic package is $3 a month. And I think it goes all the way up to, that's tier 1, tier 2, I forget the dollar amount. I'll put that on the screen. I'll put all the tiers on the screen. But tier 3, I think, is like $25 a month. Eventually want to start a give back to the community type thing. You know, like Blockhead does his block box, and you know, he does giveaways and stuff like that. I think it would be awesome to give back to the community in that way as well. I would love to be able to do giveaways and maybe even like get some ball caps and stuff like that. I don't know, drink holsters. Let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. I would like to hear some feedback from you guys about it. But that's all I've got for now. Alright guys, just left Paints by Rusty, and I'm heading to BlackJack Harley-Davidson to drop my tank off. I couldn't be happier with the tank. Obviously I haven't showed you yet because I'm waiting.